Subtraction. In this chapter you will learn what is subtraction, element of subtraction, subtraction with an example, subtraction of 3-digit numbers, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. What is subtraction? Subtraction in mathematics means you are taking something away from a group or number of things. When you subtract, what is left in the group becomes less. What is elements of subtraction? In subtraction, there are 3 elements: minuend, subtrahend, difference. Example: Adil has 5 circles, and he has given 2 circles to his sister. How many circles Adil has? Steps how to take carry. Start subtraction at unit position. If at unit position upper number is lesser than lower number, then take carry from tens position. Otherwise do simple subtraction. After taking carry, deduct 1 from upper number at tens position. The carry you have taken from tens position, now affix it with upper number at unit position. In this case number becomes 15. Now subtract numbers, upper number minus lower number, at unit position. Then subtract numbers at tens position. Do all previous steps while considering tens position as unit position, in case if upper number at tens position is lesser than lower numbers. In 2-digit case, for example, subtract 45 minus 46. In this case, do steps 1, 2, and 3. While doing subtraction at tens position, take carry from hundreds position, assuming there is hundreds. Example: Step 1. To subtract a positive number from a positive number, we just subtract the individual digits. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. The answer is 23. Subtraction with borrowing. Step 1. 4 minus 9 is not possible, so you must borrow from the units of 10. Borrow from the 4 in the units of 10, cross out the 4 because it will become 3, and add the borrowed 10 above the 4 in the units of 1. This will make it 14, so the new sum will be 14 minus 9. Step 2. 14 minus 9 followed by 3 minus 2. Subtraction of three-digit numbers. For example, 658 minus 472. Step 1. Place one number above the other so that the hundreds, tens, and ones places are lined up. Draw a line under the bottom number. Step 2. Subtract the digits in the ones place column. 8 minus 2 equals 6, and place the answer below the line in the ones place column. Step 3. Subtract the numbers in the tens place column. 5 minus 7. Borrow 1 from the hundreds place to make the top value larger than the bottom value. After this is done, subtract 15 minus 7 equals 8 and place the 8 below the line in the tens place column. Step 4. Subtract the digits in the hundreds place column. 5 minus 4 equals 1, and place the answer below the line in the hundreds place column. Subtraction of four-digit numbers. Example, 6583 minus 4729. Step 1. Place the number to be subtracted below the first number so that the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones places are lined up. Draw a line under the bottom number. Draw a line under the bottom number. Step 2. Subtract the bottom ones place digit from the top ones place digit. 3 minus 9. We do not know how to do this, so we need to rearrange the number. To make the top value larger, borrow 110 from the top tens place digit and make the 3 into 13. The top tens place value becomes a 7 after borrowing 110 from it. Now subtract 9 from 13 to get the answer of 4. The 4 is placed below the line in the ones is place column. Step 3. Subtract the digits in the tens place column. 7 minus 2 equals 5, and place the answer below the line in the tens place column. Step 4. Subtract the numbers in the hundreds place column. 5 minus 7. Once again, rearrange and borrow 1 from the thousands place to make the top value larger than the bottom value. When this is done, subtract 15 minus 7 equals 8 and place the 8 below the line in the hundreds place column. Step 5. Subtract the digits in the thousands place column. 5 minus 4 equals 1 and place the answer below the line in the thousands place column.